Hello guys, welcome back to mathematics. So today we're gonna check what is the Carroll diagram, why it is useful, and how to use it. So imagine that you have this group of elements here and you need to classify them. So how would you classify them? You could think that maybe there are some yellow, some red, and classify them in that way. So red and yellow elements. But there's also another special things between them, right? You have birds and flowers. So that's another way that you could classify them. Birds on one side and flowers in the other side. So guys, the Carroll diagram allows you to organize in two different categories at the same time. So you are going to organize red and yellow, birds and flowers in the same graph, like this. Notice that it's still on the left, you can find the red, on the right, the yellow. But then at the top, there are the flowers, and at the bottom, you can find birds. And then you can see the information in the same table. That is the good thing about the Carroll diagram. So let's take an example a little bit more closer to the maths topics. Let's imagine that you have some numbers here to organize in this Carroll diagram. In the columns, it says multiples of 3 and not multiples of 3. So that means all the numbers that I'm going to put here, they should be multiples of 3. But then between those multiples, I can find odd and even numbers. So let's see. The 12, is it a multiple of 3? Yes, because 3 times 4 is 12. And then it is odd or even. Since the last digit is 2, is an even number. So we would put it here, 12. Let's check the next one, 10. 10 is not multiple of 3. Any multiplication of 3 gives you 10. And is also an even number. So it should go here, not multiple of 3 and even. 17, not a multiple of 3. So it goes on the right. And is an odd number. So it goes at the top, 17. 15, it is a multiple of 3 and is an odd number. So it would go here, 15. 18, it is multiple of 3. 3 times 6 is 18. And is an even number. So it should go here with the 12. 14, not a multiple of 3. And is an even number. So we put it here. 23 is not a multiple of 3 and is odd. So it's gonna go here with this 17, 23. And finally 11. 11 is not a multiple of 3 and is an odd number. So it's also going to go here. Okay guys, that's how we finish the Carroll diagram in this case. I propose this exercise for you guys. You have some information about kids, 6 kids, if they like pizza with pineapple or not, and if they play basketball or not. Use the information given in these tables to put the names of the kids in the Carroll diagram. You can pause the video now and come back and check the solution. Okay, let's start with Sam. For Sam, it says that he likes pizza with pineapple and he plays basketball. So he should go in the column that likes pizza and in the row that plays basketball. So let's gonna put Sam here. Peter. Peter doesn't like pizza with pineapple, but he plays basketball. So it should go here, don't like pizza, but this one in the one that plays basketball. So Peter will go here. Peter. Lara doesn't like pizza with pineapple, doesn't play basketball, so don't like and doesn't play here. Lara. Kelly, she doesn't like pizza with pineapple, but she plays basketball. So don't like pizza, plays basketball. Should go here with Peter. Jack, he likes pizza with pineapple and he doesn't play basketball. So yes, he likes pizza but doesn't play. He should go here. Jack. And finally, Helen. She likes pizza and she also plays basketball. So likes and plays here with Sam. Helen. And we have finished the Carroll diagram with the 6 kids. Notice that it's easier to check the information here. Who doesn't like pizza? Peter, Kelly, and Lara. Easier than looking at the table. Okay, guys, that's all for this video. Please subscribe to my channel, book your lessons with me if you want, and let me any question you have about this topic or any other one. Bye bye, guys. See you next time.